What does car detailing include? Paint repairs. Any car detailer can repair minor scratches and nicks, but for more severe damage you'll need to have a body shop repaint it. For very small nicks and scratches, detailers apply drops of touch-up paint. Larger areas get paint in a clear coat that's then sanded and waxed. Touch-up paint repairs won't perfectly match the surrounding paint, but if the area is small and the worker is diligent, no one will notice. Instead of using touch-up paint, some shops will wet sand scratches, which smoothed out the unevenness of the finish created by the scratch. Wet sanding initially produces results similar to the touch-up method, but it removes clear coat layers from the area. Since the clear coat gives the car UV protection, a wet sanded area will eventually look lighter than surrounding areas. Therefore, it's usually safer to have damaged areas just touched up. Polishing and buffing. Washing, claying, and touching up nicks improves the appearance of most cars' finishes, but a car needs to be periodically polished to make the finish really shine. A car shines due to light reflecting off its surface. Dirt and nicks reduce shine by absorbing light. Scratches in the clear coat layers don't absorb light, instead reflecting it in different directions and causing the finish to appear dulled. Since automakers have yet to invent a scratch-proof paint, cars over time accumulate minute scratches in their clear coats from small rocks, sand, acorns, and other sources. Polishing finesses out these small scratches via a rotary buffing machine fitted with a soft pad. It rubs a polishing compound over the car's paint, smoothing out the uneven areas caused by scratches. While most shops include a light polishing and basic detailing, they can improve the finish on noticeably marred vehicles with extra polishing. When things go wrong, it's usually during polishing and buffing. If a buffing machine stays too long in one spot, it will leave swirl marks. If detailers use a compound that is too aggressive, they can buff right through the clear coat and even into the base coat and primer. Also, a shoddy job will probably result in a noticeably uneven finish. After polishing and buffing, wax is applied and then buffed by hand or machine. Ask any shop whether it uses a 3-step polishing process, polishing, buffing, and waxing, or a 1-step process. The 1-step shot is inferior because it's impossible to simultaneously remove scratches, buff, and apply wax. Windows and trim. After detailing the paintwork, shops clean the car's windows inside and out, and apply special treatments or polishes to convertible tops, exterior chrome, chromed plastic, and vinyl trim. Wheels and tires. Shops wash wheels and tires, apply dressing to the tires, and either polish or dress rims and hubcaps. If your wheels already have a clear coat layer, they generally should not be polished since this may remove their protective layers. Miscellaneous work. Shops usually clean air vents inside the car, door jambs, steering wheel, speaker grills, window handles, knobs, seat belts, etc. Some offer additional services, such as installing accessories and custom work.